Right, hello everyone, welcome to my final video on my audio amp. This is one of Peter Millett's designs on his Engineers amps, which is on his website. Link will be below, like on my previous two videos that I've done. I'll just quickly go over the final build, which is shown on some of the other videos I've already shown it. The back we've got the Edcor transformers, the middle one's the power supply coming in. It's exactly the same as what Peter used. And the left and right channels, again, audio outputs that Peter also used, so I've not changed them at all. These left and right channels for the push-pull stages, the rear valves, the TV suite valves, I'm using the 6JN6s for these, which haven't got the top part for the plate connection. It's all done on the PCB. And the front is the 6CB6 pentodes for the differential part that Peter designed. The two screws here where the MOSFETs are attached to the metal plate for dissipating the heat, which gives you the regulated power supply for the valves. So most of the top's pretty much the same as the other videos. Audio output on the speakers are over on the left, and I've got an audio input from my computer, and the computer will be controlling the volume as well, because I'm not going to volume control this. It's going to have a separate volume unit, which is going to be an attenuator run by an Arduino, and the power switch is also on top, which has an LED input. I'll just make sure it's switched off and show you inside. It's a little bit of change on the inside now. So I'll just take this with a tripod to show you. Right, so on the insides, it's the PCB and everything's the same. The only real difference I've got is up the top here along the plate. You might see them little tiny white bits are the LEDs. I'm using Neo pixels here, and they're going to be controlled by an Arduino. And over here is the Nano Arduino to control them, which is programmed to run them in a sequence of different illuminations. Down here I've got a 12 volt power supply and a regulation power supply. I had to build my own to get two different voltage. I needed a 12 volt and a 5 volt to run all that. So that's the only add-in extras on here. So just put it back on the tripod. For the and for the front, I've now got the front grille finished. There you go, front grille, and that's got the nameplate Audio Blues, which I'm calling it, and that's been routed out of the same wood that the surround is made out of. So that's pretty much it, I think, for showing you the final part. I'll just power it up and give you a demonstration of it running. I'll just switch my TV over so I can put some music on. Right, so the first thing, it's just warming up. I've now got the LED connection for my power supply, and hopefully you might be able to see some sort of lighting coming through the valves. It works better at night, and you'll be able to see the light of the LEDs shining through there. I'll try and put some sort of cover over it to make it a bit darker in a minute. But for now, I'll just play some music. It'll just be some YouTube clips. Can't put any other sort of music on because of copyright policy, which I've got stopped from one of our videos. So this will be some music from YouTube. Final bit of the amp all lit up now because it's getting a bit darker, and you can see the LED lighting coming through, and you'll be able to just about see the lights glowing through on the amp, and the valves coming through the top part of the valves. Looks pretty good. That'll be my final video. Hopefully, like I say, as soon as I get the volume started, I'll start doing some videos on that.